So let's open up our unit with our inquiry question. As you guys know, every unit has an essential question that we are searching to gain answers for and knowledge from. So the inquiry essential question that you have for ELA and history is the following. What are the major differences between the North and the South, and how did that lead to the Civil War? This essential question is a two-part question. You have a what and a how that you need to look for answers for throughout the unit. Let's begin with the first part. What are the major differences between the North and the South? Looking at the question itself and the color coding that's been done to the question, you know that you're looking at two parts, one that's the North and one that is the South. And you're going to focus on not the similarities, but the major differences. As you go through the different lessons of this unit, I strongly recommend you start taking down notes of what you notice are some of those differences. Now let's move to part 2 of this question. How? How did that lead to the Civil War? Basically, it's asking you, how did those differences cause a war between the North and South? Again, you're looking at the causes for it, not what the war was about. I hope this helps clarify and helps you focus on where your learning needs to be, what questions may arise during this unit that you need help seeking answers for. But again, this is the essential question. You will be revisiting this question towards the end of the unit, and you will need to be preparing yourself for a write-up using this question as a guide. All right, guys, I wish you luck.